As a novice, winning races in car parking multiplayer is extremely challenging and almost impossible. Many players make use of glitched cars and hacks to win races, which is unfair to new and regular players. And that's why on this video, I'll be showing you guys a tutorial of how you can make a glitch car without using Game Guardian or any hacks. But as usual, before we get into the video, I'd first like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. If you also want a shout out on the next video, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe, and comment shout out. Okay boys, so the first step is to buy the Golf MK2, the Volkswagen Scirocco, Golf 7, or the new Toyota Yaris, because this trick will only work on these 4 cars. Once you've bought one of the cars, you're going to reset everything to make sure the car is 100% stock. This includes the upgrades, gearbox, suspension, and the cost. When you're done, you're going to go to online mode, City 1, and drive to this mechanic shop, because it's the only car service in the game that has this lifting machine, and it's impossible to do this trick without it. Once you've joined the room, you're going to open the car settings and copy what I'm doing. After that, you're going to drive to the mechanic, and when you arrive, you're going to press this down button to lower the lift. Once the lift is on the ground, you're going to park on top of it and press the button again to lift it up. Then put the car gear on manual. Now, you're going to full throttle the accelerator, and every time the speedometer turns orange, you'll switch the car gears up until you reach the 7th gear. Once the speedometer turns orange on the 7th gear, you'll start downshifting all the way to the 1st gear. Then you're going to press this road button. And there it is, boys. This glitch is only temporary, and you can do it as many times as you'd like. If you've made it this far, make sure to like the video and comment W, so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
Now, before we wrap it up, let me quickly tell you guys about today's sponsor. Static Shift Racing is a mobile open-world street racing game where players customize cars and compete in different race types, such as circuit races, sprint races, and drifting challenges. The game is set in a world inspired by the 1990s car culture. Players can compete against other online players or complete solo missions to improve their driving skills. If you're ready to hit the streets, download Static Shift Racing on Google Play Store or iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, you can use the link on this video's description